Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to another video. In today's video I'm going to go ahead and share with you how you can get Amazon products for free, and then I'm also going to share with you how you can go ahead and get Amazon products at ridiculously cheap prices. So I'm going to show you some cheap stuff, and I'm also going to show you how you can get lots and lots of freebies. Now when I'm talking about freebies, I genuinely mean you will not have to lay out any money of your own, and like most things I share on this channel, I trial and test it myself before I go ahead and record videos. So I'll show you some of the freebies that I've had in the last few weeks, so I'll just grab a couple here. Oh, so this is the first one. This is a smartwatch that I've had. I've then got another one here which is a fitness tracker. I've then had a camcorder. What else have I got over here? I've got some Panasonic camera here. Oh, hang on, can you see this one here? I've got this one here, and then there's other stuff on there. So I've got this one here. Can you see this? This here. So basically everything I'm going to share with you in this video, let me pull all this down. Everything I'm going to share with you in this video, I've done this myself, I've trialed it, I've tested it, and I'm going to go ahead and show you step by step how you can go ahead and get these Amazon products for free for yourself, because I mean Christmas is just around the corner, so this is going to be a great way to go ahead and get some Christmas presents. I mean what I'm doing with some of the stuff I'm doing is I'm stockpiling some of these gifts here for a local charity for kids. So in about 3 or 4 weeks time we're just going to go down to the charity and donate to them, so it's a great way to give back as well. So before we jump into the video, if this is the first time you're here, hello and welcome. My name is Mark. On the screen you're looking at one of my blogs called Not Taught at School, and I blog and I upload videos to YouTube about making money online, working from home, and just simple ways how you can earn some extra money. So if you're interested in that, subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll never miss when I upload new content, because I do tend to mix it up between articles on my blog and also videos on my YouTube channel. I'm coming up to 100 videos on YouTube now, and on my blog, I mean I've been running this blog for a couple of years here, so there's just lots and lots of articles about making money online. And believe it or not, you do not need to go ahead and invest lots of money to get started earning online. Most things that I share, they're all simple, they're all free, and they're all easy to do. So let's go ahead and jump into today's video. So I'm going to show you 3 different ways, and I'm going to save the best way till the end, because you would be absolutely astounded at the products that you can go ahead and get for free. So we'll start right at the beginning. So the first site I'm going to go ahead and share with you is this one here. So in fact, let me go to this tab here. It's this one here. It's called rippleinfluence.com. So basically how this works is it's a website where Amazon sellers and companies and brands, they're looking to go ahead and get awareness about their products. So they come over to sites like Ripple Influence. And how does this work to you? So basically, if you're an influencer, and I do that like that because you can go ahead and have an account on Instagram, you can have a Facebook page, it can even be Pinterest. What you can do is you sign up and it's absolutely free, and then you get access to all of these products on here, and you can go ahead and trial these and test these and then leave feedback for the sellers regarding these products. So there's lots and lots of different products on here. You can get all of these for free. It's really simple, it's really easy, and you can see here you've got Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, and then you've got RSS feeds down here. So you can sign up to this. It's absolutely free. Let me go ahead and show you this. Oh, sorry, this one here. It's absolutely free. So you see here on the left-hand side, influencers. So this is for anybody with a social media account, and then it shows you the products that you would get access to. So you're going to get access to the free and extra low-cost products to review. Come down here. That you can see here, this is available worldwide. Choose your review platform, so whether you want to share something on Facebook or share something on Instagram or Twitter or wherever really, and then you've got all of these other features in here. So you can sign up for this. It's absolutely free. I mean they do have these here, standard, premium and annual. You don't need to do that, to be honest with you. When you're first getting started with this, you can go ahead and just get this one here, get my free account, and then you're going to go ahead and get access to these low cost products to review. Now the low cost products, these are things like this here and this. To be fair, most of these on here would be classed as the low value products, but there's just lots and lots of different ones on here that you can go ahead and review on your social media channels, and then you go ahead and you get free Amazon vouchers for Amazon products for doing so. So I'll drop a link to this Ripple Influence here. Now I fully appreciate that many people may not want to do this because they're not They don't have huge social media platforms. They don't want to go ahead and potentially share this stuff on their own Facebook profile, etc. So if you're not interested in this website here, this Ripple Influence, the next one I'm going to share with you is a website here, and it's called Vipon, or vipon.com. Now let me just drag this across here. Now this is available in a number of countries, so I'm going to go over here to where the flag is and click the drop down box, and you can see here these are the different countries where the Amazon, so you can see, sorry, we've got Amazon America, Amazon Canada, UK, Germany, France, Spain, Italy and Japan. So these are all of the countries where this is available. Now again, this is absolutely free to sign up to this, and then once you've signed up and it's free, you can come in, you've got all these different categories here. You can go on instant deals, upcoming deals, but basically what's happening on here is sellers on Amazon come on here and they're trying to go ahead and get sales of their products. So what they do is they offer discount vouchers, and a lot of the time it varies between 70% discount and 100% discount. So on here you can see, let's just take this example here, these cycling shorts. They're currently listed on Amazon at £23. If you use this here get coupon, you will get 80% off, so you can go ahead and buy this product for £4.60. It's really simple to do, it's really easy, and like I say, you can get huge discounts on here. Now I've just clicked here on the instant deals page, so this is just the deals that are on the website for today. But you can go ahead, you can filter this via category. You can go, let me come up here and show you this. You can look at upcoming deals on here, but you've also got all your categories on the left hand side here, and then if you click this tab here, it will bring up all the different categories for you. Now, so on here there's lots and lots of different ways to do this, and how it works is you click on get coupon, you get given a code, you go over to Amazon, you buy the product, and then when you go to checkout at the end, you simply put in that code into the checkout box at the end and you will get given that discount. So I've just come over here and I've gone ahead and clicked on the, I think it was the children's tab, yeah, toys and kids. So again, you can scroll through here and just have a look at what's available, what's not available, but it's a really great site. There's lots and lots of different products that you can get on here, and in terms of why sellers are doing this, basically they're just trying to get their listings up on Amazon, and obviously the more sales that they get on Amazon, it's going to go ahead and help to drive their products up the page rankings. So they're offering discounts like this to try and go ahead and appear higher up the search rankings on Amazon. So this is vipon.com. It's another great site. I've used this quite a lot, and like I say, one good little tip on here is this upcoming deals. Just keep an eye on this upcoming deals page here, because you really do get some fantastic products. And in terms of where you can get the free products, you will find them normally in this upcoming deals as well. So you can see on here there's just lots and lots of different products on here, really great prices. I mean, you can get some headphones for £1.60. There's some absolutely great bargains to be had on here, especially with Christmas just around the corner. So I'll drop a link to this one here. So this is Vipon, like I said, I'm just going to say Vipon. This is Vipon. So I'll drop a link to Vipon. I'll also drop a link to this Ripple Influence. And then the last one I'm going to share with you. Now, being absolutely truthful with you, it's kind of frowned upon about Amazon. Because what happened was a lot of Amazon sellers, they were going ahead and listing their products on these groups on Facebook in exchange for a review. Now Amazon says sellers are not allowed to go ahead and offer a reward for people leaving reviews on their products. So I know a lot of people that do this, I'll be absolutely honest, I've done it in the past. But what can happen is if you're leaving what's classed as fake reviews on Amazon, you can go ahead and get your Amazon account wiped. Now what that basically means is you would no longer be able to go ahead and leave reviews on Amazon. So what's happened is a lot of sellers have got together, and that basically the sellers, again, they're just trying to get more awareness on their products. They're trying to drive their listings up onto page 1 and page 2 of Amazon. So you can go on Facebook and you can just type in no review. I mean, this is a group I'm in here. Let me just get rid of this one here. this one here is no review free product on Amazon US/UK. Now there's hundreds and hundreds of these Amazon groups. Just type in Amazon product, Amazon freebies on Facebook, and you'll find lots and lots of these groups. There's also still lots of these review groups around where they're just simply putting in their products. But basically I'll just show you this website here. So I'm just going to scroll down so you can see on here that what happens is the sellers will come in here and they will list the products here. So this one here, it's free. They do not want a review. This is the product. So what would happen is if you would message this person and say I'm interested in this product, they would give you the keywords that you go on Amazon and search for. Once you find it, you buy it, and then they would go ahead and give you. It's normally they give you a refund via PayPal, but basically this is a simple way of how they're getting more sales for their products and how you can go ahead and get freebies. But like I say, with this one, just do be a little bit careful with it. Do not go absolutely crazy and buy lots and lots of products, because you'd probably get flagged up to Amazon. But you can see on here we've got this one here. This is available in all of these different countries here, and then they tell you what it is. And you can see again, it's absolutely free. You do not need to go ahead and leave any reviews. You just buy the product, send them a screenshot confirming that you've bought the product, and then you're going to go ahead and get your money back for doing so. You can see here we've got a light box, we've got a VR headset here, we've got some. It looks like a phone holder, but I'm not gonna keep scrolling through this group. But you can see we've got a backpack here. Scroll down here, we've got a men's watch. Again, this is free. I mean, some of these here, this one here, this is only US only. If I keep coming down here, we've got another one here. We've got some cables. There's just like, we've got a headlamp here. There's I mean, look at this. There's all of these women's products here. There's just so many different products that are listed in these groups, and there's hundreds and hundreds of these groups that you can go ahead and find. You've got one here, like all the Christmas stuff starting to come in here now, and you can see here. Just click on here. Come down, refund after shipping. So you buy this product, once it's been sent to you on Amazon, then this seller here will go ahead and refund you on Amazon. So that there is today's video. Sorry, it's also worth mentioning. So you see, let me just get this one here. You see here, this one here, offering $2 commission for no review item. So you just need to purchase it, and then this person here will refund you for the product that you've bought, but then they're also going to go ahead and give you £2 commission, because they're trying to get their products up on Amazon. They're trying to rank their products higher onto, like I say, the aim on Amazon, obviously, like most things, is to get onto page 1, because once you're onto page 1, you're going to go ahead and make more sales and you can make more money. So all of these sellers in here, they're giving away their products to try and drive them up onto page 1 of Amazon. Now, in terms of Amazon and eBay, I mean, I sell products on eBay a long time, well, about 9 years ago. And what would happen is, when you have a product and you start listing it on eBay, you would start on, say, page 10 or 11. And in order to try and drive that product onto page 1, I would sell those products at a loss. So this is kind of like what they're doing. They're just giving away their products for free to go ahead and get their sales. When I was doing this years ago on Amazon, I was selling products at a loss. So in order for me to go ahead and get one of my listings onto page 1, I would sell it at a loss, normally for up to 2 months. And some items, like iPhone cases and Shambella bracelets and some of these sorts of things, we would lose up to about £800–900 per listing to get onto page 1, and then once we was onto page 1, we would put our prices up to where we wanted them, and we'd normally recoup that initial loss in a matter of days, in about 2 or 3 days really. So this is exactly how it's working for these guys over here. They're giving away their product, they're losing some money to start with, but then once their product gets onto page 1 of Amazon or page 2, they're going to start getting more sales, which will then recoup these initial losses. So that there is pretty much today's video. It's really simple, it's really easy, and this in terms of this one here, these groups on Amazon, these groups on Facebook, just go on Facebook and just type in Amazon products for free products on Amazon, and then depending on which country you're in, it will show you all of the relevant groups to you. As you can see here on the right hand side here, I'm inside of this group here. You can see there's one here, Amazon Reviews US. We've got another one here, No Review Group, free deals, codes. So there's another one there. And we've got another one here, Amazon Review, Amazon Reviewers, Amazon Sellers. There's just hundreds and hundreds of these groups on here, and they're really simple, they're really easy, and if you're after getting some free Amazon products, then these Facebook groups are an absolutely great way to go ahead and find them. The other site here, this Vipon, if you want to pay a little bit of money, get 80% off, then again, this site works really well. And then if you don't want to let any money out, but you're actually just interested in reviewing products, then Ripple Influence is the website for you. So that is today's video. I hope you found it interesting. I hope you found it useful. If you have any questions about this whatsoever, then please go ahead and leave a comment below. But thanks for watching, and I shall see you tomorrow.